Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
Yeah. Whoa. Hey. Hey. Nigga, don't hit me up. Ain't shit to talk about, nigga, I'm stressed out. Feeling like dish rags, getting all wrung out. Feeling all strung out, feeling so done now. I've been every day with the shits, no cap. Taking no breaks, going straight back to back. I ain't even take no time to relax. So many bags that my eyes got backs. So much cash that I can't keep track. I ain't even learn how to do my taxes. They ain't even teach me shit in them classes. Yet I still owe a little money to the campus. I've been in my head trying to make straight classics. Staring at a blank canvas. Thoughts overcrowded with a whole lot of madness. Trying to find drive in a whole lot of traffic. Feeling so stagnant. Wonder if I lost my passion. Feeling so lost and abandoned. Hanging by the thread and I feel so stranded. Trying to right wrongs when I'm so left-handed. Damn it, I wanna tell someone but they wouldn't understand it. All the attention it seems so demanding. I know that I dreamed it but didn't really plan it. Man, I'm stressed out. Ain't shit to talk about, nigga, I'm stressed out. Feeling like dish rags, getting all wrung out. Feeling all strung out, feeling so done now. I've been every day with the shits, no cap. Taking no breaks, going straight back to back. I ain't even take no time to relax. So many bags that my eyes got backs. Everybody asks how I got it like that. All eyes on you, how you tolerate that. Saw your commercial, had to rewind back. Hope you getting paid when they monetize that. I don't wanna say what I'd do if I was you, but I know if I was you, I would do this and that. I don't give a fuck about advices you have. All of these voices that make me wanna snap. Man, I'm stressed.